ICT on Teaching and Learning Last-Minute Revision Unit-Wise Book Back Question and Answer. Book Unit 1 Information and Communication Technology, ICT. Revision Notes with Q&A. Q1. Define ICT and write about nature of ICT. Definition. ICT equals information technology plus communication technology. Tools, resources used to create, store, process, transmit, and manage information. UNDP. ICT equals set of goods, applications and services to produce, process and exchange info, radio, TV, computer, internet. UNESCO. ICT equals technological discipline plus management techniques for information handling. Nature of ICT. Speed right pointing arrow instant communication. Precision right pointing arrow less miscommunication. Versatility right pointing arrow multimedia, multitasking. Cost-effective right-pointing arrow one tool for many users. Digital divide right-pointing arrow unequal access. Security issues right-pointing arrow hacking, viruses, privacy concerns. Health impact right-pointing arrow excessive use equals low attention span. Q2. Explain about concept of ICT. ICT equals use of computer-based technology plus internet for wide info access. Involves hardware, software, networks, satellites. ICT equals tool for communication, problem solving, higher order thinking. Includes computers, mobile phones, radio, TV, intranet, www, databases, e-journals, e-books, video conferencing, telemedicine. Q3. Write a short note on characteristics of ICT and usefulness of ICT. Characteristics. Effectiveness, fewer errors, personalized, interactive. Efficiency, faster, cheaper, less paperwork. Innovation, new tools, technologies. Transparent, searchable, acceptable. Usefulness. Learning tool, e-learning, virtual classes. Problem solving, scientific approach. Easy storage and retrieval of data. Networking, internet, intranet. Globalization, connects scholars worldwide. Basis for online library and documentation. Q4. Narrate challenges and scope of ICT. Challenges. High cost of ICT tools. Poor awareness and technical skill. Unequal access, digital divide. Misuse by unscrupulous persons. Universal accessibility not achieved. Scope. Communication, emails, video calls, social media. Education, e-learning, virtual labs. Healthcare, telemedicine, e-records. Banking, finance, digital payments. Agriculture, digital marketing, rural empowerment. Business, data analysis, decision-making. Entertainment, games, movies, VR. Transport, logistics, tracking systems. Q5. Write, applications of ICT. Entertainment, streaming, music, movies online. Medical science, disease detection, telemedicine, health informatics. Finance, credit cards, e-commerce, online payments. Public sector, paying bills, renewing licenses online. Home electronics, smart homes, security, AC control. Education, smart boards, tablets, e-learning. Agriculture, info on weather, marketing, production strategies. Business, data processing, resource optimization. Q6. Describe classroom application of ICT. Smart boards, projectors, laptops, tablets. Promotes student engagement and collaboration. Supports autonomous learning, self-directed. Prepares students for digital skills after graduation. Improves teacher-student communication, emails, LMS. Supports differentiated instruction, apps, customized lessons. Challenges, misuse of devices, lack of teacher training, online safety, high cost, frequent tech updates. Q7. Write about professional development and ICT. ICT equals tool for teacher training and lifelong learning. 3 aspects. Learning how to use ICT, technical. Learning through ICT, content mastery. Integrating ICT in teaching, pedagogy. Opportunities. Online courses, OpenLearn, Coursera, edX. MOOCs, Swayam, Rice University courses. Social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Web 2.0 tools, blogs, wikis, podcasts. Webinars and online groups, WhatsApp, Google Groups. Q8. Tell about benefits of emerging technologies for education. Wider range of learning materials. Improves communication skills and workplace readiness. Makes learning fun, engaging and motivating. Anytime, anywhere learning, internet access. Helps students learn new skills via online platforms. Improves both mental and physical skills, interactive learning. Keeps learners updated with new technologies. Q9. Describe about the convergence of telecommunications and computing. Convergence equals merging of computing plus telecom plus media. Internet equals largest telecom network. Examples: 1. Telephone networks, cellular networks, police, firecoms, ham radios, broadcast networks. Transmission. Analog, AM, FM. Digital, modern internet protocols, Morse code. Telecom plus computing convergence equals wireless communication, fiber optics, satellites, VoIP, internet. Result: faster, global communication platform. Book Unit 2 ICT Mediated Education. Revision notes with Q&A. Q1. Explain about ICT teaching and learning environment. ANS. 2. 1. ICT mediated education equals learning with digital tools, computers, internet, mobiles, radio, TV. Encourages learning by doing. Helps students develop critical thinking, problem solving, research and evaluation skills. Components. Content or learning experiences. Teacher, provider. Learner, receiver. Methods and ICT tools, means of delivery. Q2. Describe types of teaching and learning environment. ANS. 2. 2. Face-to-face. Traditional classroom plus ICT tools, chalkboard, projector, video. Structured curriculum, fixed time, exams. Networked. Learning via telephone, radio, audio, video conferencing. E.g., IGNOU's interactive radio counseling. Open and distance learning, ODL. Flexible, independent learning. Tools, print, audio, video, telecast, online, mobile learning. E.g., NIOS, State Open Schools. Virtual Learning Environment, VLE. Online classrooms resembling real campus. Uses LMS, e-materials, virtual labs. Combines face-to-face plus online features. Q3. Narrate modes of using ICT in teaching and learning environments. ANS. 2. 3. ICT mediated classroom teaching. Traditional classroom supported by ICT tools, videos, PPTs, internet. Teacher equals main knowledge provider. Blended learning. Combines face-to-face plus online learning. Can include outdoor, workplace, or community-based ICT learning. Online learning. Entire course delivered through the internet, admission right pointing arrow exams online. Conducted via learning management systems, LMS, such as SWAYAM, Moodle. Flexible, self-paced, cost-effective, beyond boundaries. Q4. Specify the features of an ICT-mediated teaching learning environment. ANS. 2. 4. Information modality, verbal, non-verbal. Linearity, linear or non-linear learning flow. Type of interaction, teacher-learner, learner-learner, learner-machine. Number of participants, 1-to-1, 1-to-many, many-to-many. Time, place dependency, synchronous, live, or asynchronous, recorded. Immediacy, quick feedback possible. Q5. Write about ICT classrooms' physical constituents. ANS. 2. 5. Core ICT infrastructure. Computers, projectors, printers, scanners, digital cameras, microphones. Computer lab with LAN, internet access points. Enabling infrastructure. Electricity and power backup. Proper seating, ventilation, lighting. Safety features, fire extinguisher, secure storage. Layouts. Traditional, lecture plus projector. Collaborative group work, 2 to 5 students on project. Independent work, self-paced, individual systems. Conference style, sharing outcomes in group. Computer lab layout, rows of computers with supervision. Q6. Tell about ICT, social constituents. ANS. 2. 6. 1. Autonomy and responsibility. Students choose content, mode, pace. Responsibility for maintaining devices, ethical use of ICT. 2. Interaction and feedback. Synchronous, real-time, chat, Skype, live streaming, video calls. Asynchronous, flexible, email, discussion boards, e-content, wikis, social networking. 3. Ethical aspects. Safe use of internet. Respecting copyrights and licensing. Q7. Essay. Supporting learners using a variety of tools and instructional strategies. ANS. 2. 7. Criteria for selecting ICT tools. Technical, ease, speed, AV input, flexibility. Instructional, learner control, interactivity, achievement. Organizational, availability, cost, maintenance, space. Ethical, licensing, permissions, open source use. Instructional strategies. Activity-based, group and cooperative learning. Hands-on experiences, applied approach. Encourage questioning, reflecting, critical thinking. Provide flexibility, pace, style, intelligence, interest. Conclusion. Right choice of ICT. Right pointing arrow motivates learners, supports inclusivity, develops higher order skills. Q8. Short notes, ANS. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 2. 2. 3. 3. 1. ICT mediated classroom teaching learning environment. Traditional classroom plus ICT tools. E.g., using YouTube video in metallurgy class. Enhances clarity and understanding. 2. Blended learning. Mix of face-to-face plus online, distance modes. Example, classroom teaching plus e-modules plus fieldwork. 3. Online learning. Delivered fully online via LMS. Advantages, flexibility, self-paced, low cost, global access. Example, SWAYAM, Coursera. Book Unit 3 ICT and Teaching Learning Process. Revision notes with Q&A. Q1. Explain about ICT and Teaching Learning Process. ANS. 3. 1. ICT improves teaching, learning, and assessment. Provides variety, clarity, interaction, and retention. Helps in diagnostic testing, remedial teaching, psychological analysis of learners, development of instructional material, e-books, PPTs, simulations. Makes learning student-centered, engaging, and effective. Q2. Write about need of ICT selection. ANS. 3. 2. Not all ICT tools are suitable for every objective. Need arises because different teaching objectives need different media. Time and cost constraints. Learners have varied abilities and access. Some ICT tools may be outdated or unavailable. Careful selection ensures relevance, effectiveness, and accessibility. Q3. Describe about factors affecting ICT selection. ANS. 3. 3. Pedagogical factors. ICT must match instructional objectives. Should support methods of teaching, lecture, demonstration, projects. Suitability for learners' level. Human factors. Teachers' ability to use ICT. Learners' prior knowledge and skills. Institutional, organizational factors. Availability of infrastructure. Cost of ICT tools. Administrative support. Technical factors. User-friendliness. Compatibility with existing systems. Reliability and durability. Q4. Specify various factors affecting ICT selection. ANS. 3. 5. Cost. Initial and maintenance expenses. Accessibility. Availability of tools in institution. User-friendliness. Easy for teachers and learners. Time. Preparation and classroom use. Infrastructure. Electricity, internet, labs. Pedagogical utility. Relevance to lesson objectives. Flexibility. Adaptability for various subjects. Q5. Write short note on integration of ICT. ANS. 3. 6. Integration equals embedding ICT in lesson planning, content delivery, assessment, and school management. Helps in improving teaching effectiveness, enhancing learner participation, continuous assessment and feedback. TPACK model. Teachers need technological knowledge plus pedagogical knowledge plus content knowledge for effective integration. Q6. Explain about 1. E-learning, ANS. 3. 8. Use of electronic media, computers, internet, for learning. Includes content delivery plus communication plus assessment. Advantages: flexible, low cost, personalized, interactive. Examples: online courses, virtual labs. 2. Web-based learning, ANS. 3. 9. Learning through internet, web platforms. Uses hypertext, multimedia, online resources. Provides interaction, collaboration, self-paced learning. Example, e-content on NPTEL, SWAYAM, Moodle. Q7. Explain about MOOC awareness. ANS. 3. 10. MOOC equals massive open online course. Online course with open access and large-scale participation. Features. Free, low cost. Flexible, self-paced. Available worldwide. Provides video lectures, assignments, forums. Examples, SWAYAM, India, Coursera, EDX, Udacity. Q8. Write about educational resources. ANS. 3. 11. E-resources include e-books, digital versions of textbooks, e-journals, online research articles, databases and digital libraries, e.g., NDL, National Digital Library of India, multimedia resources, animations, simulations, video lectures, repositories, institutional repositories, open educational resources, OER. Importance: easy access and wide availability, cost-effective and eco-friendly, supports research, self-study, and collaborative learning.